Good afternoon. We've got a ProBarrow Elite to be shipped out today. This one happens to be going to the US. This particular customer also got a few attachments to go along with it. So he's got the ProBarrow Elite, which comes with the standard 14 gauge steel drum, 1 battery pack, 2 tires, 2 handles, charger, and set to go. In addition, this customer also got a flat deck attachment, flat materials, skids, etc. The mega drum, large volume drum, lightweight material, topsoil, mulch, rolls of sod, etc. Trailer hauler. You put whatever size ball you need, and you can move landscape trailers, utility trailers, boat trailers, whatever you need moved in tight spaces. An additional battery pack, all day runtime or more. And 1 additional flat free tire. So let's get this packaged up and get it shipped out today. All wrapped up.